Okay, let's do the next exercise, children. Here a lot of colorful picture was given. We are, as usual, we are going to fill the blanks with the correct spelling. Okay, now we are going to find out the new word, as well as we are going to learn the new word also, isn't it? Yeah, we are going to word a new letters, and we are going to learn a new words also. Let's see what is the heading was given here. Fill in the blanks to spell the word. Okay, we want to fill the blanks and we want to spell the word. If you spell the word, then we want to fill the blanks. Okay, tell me, what is this? You can see anywhere? What is this? The first picture is, yes, this is a crab. Very good. This is a crab. Do you love crab eating? Did you love eating crab? Did you love eating crabs? Yes, you all love it. Very nice. Very nice, children. Let's see the spelling for crab. Okay, if you're not getting a correct spelling, I already told you what you want to do. Yes, you want to tell me the word loudly. Cra, cra. Yes, C, k. Rab, ra, ru. Crab, crab. Crab, isn't it? Crab. Okay, let's do the next picture. With next picture, what is this? This is a, yes, this is a frog. Did you saw the frog anywhere? Yes. Or yes, in rainy season you can see it everywhere. You can see it in everywhere. Frog, frog, yes, that's F sound. Raw, frog, frog. Okay, see here also the R sound was coming. Crab, here also the R sound is coming. Frog, frog. Okay, let's see the next picture. What is this? This is, I already told you, we already done this picture exercise. We already done the picture exercise. What is this? Yes, you are going to tell me. I am not going to tell you. You are going to tell me. What is this? Yes, this is a flag. Which country flag is this? Yes, this is a Indian flag, isn't it? The Indian flag have a tricolor, isn't it? Three color, isn't it? Three color having in our country we are having a three color flag. One is orange, then orange will be come at the up, isn't it? Don't forget, the orange will be come at the top, and this is a white, and this is a green, and the blue chakra will be at the middle of the flag, isn't it? Okay, on what occasion we will hoist the flag? Do you remember on what occasion we will hoist the flag? Yes, we will at the August 15, isn't it? August 15 or January 26, we will use to hoist the flag. Okay, on Republic Days and Independence Day, we will use to hoist the flag. Okay, but now tell me the spelling for flag. Just tell me loudly, flag, flag. Yes, F sound. You are getting a F sound. Lag, yes. Flag, flag, flag. Very good. Okay, let's move to the next picture. What is this? This is a, yes, this is a plug. Plug. Okay, but the children should not touch the plug. Isn't it, children? You know it already, isn't you know? Yes, you should not touch the plug. What is the spelling for plug? Plug. Yes, P. P sound. You are getting a P sound. Plug. L sound. Plug. Plug. Okay. Okay. See here in this two picture, you are getting a L sound. In the above picture, you got the R sound. In this below picture, you are getting the L sound. Flag. Plug. Okay, you are getting a la sound. Okay. Let's see the next picture. Okay, what is this? We are already done it, but we will just done with this double E. There are double E was given a blank letter. Here the first two letter was given as a blank. Just find out the word by seeing the picture, then tell me loudly, then we can spell it correctly. Okay, what is this? This is a sheep. Okay, if you're getting any S sound, tell me loudly. She. Yes, you are getting a yes sound. She. Yes. Yes, H. Sheep. Sheep. Isn't it, children? Okay, let's do this one. What is this? This is a what is this? It's a monkey. I know this is a monkey. And what action is it's doing? It is climb, climb, climb. See, what action is he doing? It's not a climb. It's a shimp, shimp, shimp. Okay, let's move to this picture. What is this? This is, yes, this is chess. Chess. They are playing a chess, isn't it? Okay, just tell me the spelling for ch. Ch. C H. Ch. Chess. What now? Just tell me this. Find out this word from this picture. What she is doing? Yes, it's swim. Yes, she is a swim. Swim. You're getting a S sound, isn't it? Swim. Swim. Okay, children. Did you understand what is the missing letter? And we just find it out the words carefully. Okay, let's do the next exercise.